I'm going to teach you how to use OpenRouter in n8n. Access free AI models like GPT and Claude. We're building a simple, reliable workflow that checks your inbox, extracts the right details from Upwork job alerts, scores how well they match your profile, and pings you in Slack only when opportunities look promising. Let's walk through how each part works and why it matters. We begin with a Gmail trigger that runs every 10 minutes. It uses a focused search query to look for new job alert emails from Upwork, filtering by the sender and subject so only relevant alerts are captured. This keeps noise out and ensures the workflow stays fast and efficient. If you get a lot of alerts, you can fine-tune the query terms to better reflect what you care about. As soon as a new alert is found, the email is marked as read. This is a small but crucial step to prevent duplicates. By updating the status right away, we make sure the same message doesn't get processed again on the next cycle. Upwork emails are formatted in HTML, which isn't ideal for analysis. So next, the content is converted to Markdown. Markdown keeps the structure, like headings, lists, and links, while stripping away extra formatting that can confuse a model. This makes the text cleaner, lighter, and easier to parse. With the text prepared, we hand it to an AI job data extractor. The model analyzes the email and pulls out the structured details you care about: job title, payment type, a short description snippet, country, tags, client rating, and the posting date. Instead of a messy block of text, you now have clean JSON that's ready for evaluation or storage. Next, an opportunity scorer evaluates how well the job fits your profile. It looks at the title, tags, description, experience level, and payment information to produce a compatibility score from 1 to 10, along with reasoning. You can tailor the profile context the model uses so the scoring reflects your niche and strengths. We then combine the extracted job data and the AI score into a single, well-structured object. Keeping everything in one place prevents mismatches and makes the next steps consistent and predictable. A filter checks the score and only allows opportunities with a 7 or higher to continue. This threshold helps you focus on quality without manually sifting through your inbox. Finally, a formatted Slack alert is sent to your chosen channel, including the job title, location, price or payment type, tags, client rating, and the AI score with a brief rationale. You get the highlights at a glance and can act quickly on the best leads, without refreshing Upwork or digging through emails. That's the full loop, automated, repeatable, and tuned to surface only the opportunities that matter.